Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Office license and ensuring internet access. This lets updates download. Once ready, save any open documents and close other Office apps to prevent conflicts. Open Microsoft Word and sign in with the Microsoft account tied to your subscription so updates apply correctly. These steps reduce errors and make the update visible to your profile. Now go to the File menu to locate account. That's the first actionable place to check for update settings and current version information. Once in account, choose Update Options and pick Update Now. Word will check Microsoft servers for patches and feature releases. If you prefer hands-off maintenance, enable automatic updates so Word installs releases when idle. This prevents future manual steps. During download and installation, let the process run. Interrupting can corrupt files. If reboots are required, save your work beforehand. After installation completes, restart Word to finalize changes and confirm the version number has advanced under Account to ensure the update succeeded. Once the installer finishes, restart Word to load updated components and verify the new version in Account. This confirms success. If Word fails to update, try Office Repair from Programs and Features. It fixes corrupted installers and missing files. Make sure Windows Update is current and your network allows Microsoft servers. If repair doesn't work, sign out and back in or reinstall Office as a last resort. One key tip: run updates with administrative rights to avoid permission errors that commonly block installation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.